Hey everyone, welcome back to Pickles BBQ. This is Charlie from Pickles BBQ. Today we're doing a smoked ham with our own special glaze. Stay tuned. It's brown sugar, bit of apricot preserves, and sriracha. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of spicy. So good. Stay tuned. It's super easy to do too. Leave a comment down below if you like it or if you try it.
Hey y'all, so what we got here is about almost a 14-pound ham. So this came around Easter time. Shank portion ham, about 13.74 pounds. Get a good deal around holidays. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna put on some Rich's River Dirt Sweet. Season it up, and then we're gonna put it out on the grill. So I do wanna cut this crosshatch. Got a lot of skin on it. That'll help our spices absorb into it. So I want to cut it across, around, and around the whole side, and then across the other way. So essentially a diamond pattern. Like I said, all we're doing right now is applying the rub. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll leave his link down below to this, but use whatever kind of rub you want to use. Or you don't even have to use a rub. Go ahead and rub generously. Clean up afterwards. On all sides. Boom, and there we go. We're all spiced up. Did the crosshatch cutting. I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside for a little while we get our fire going.
Nothing like watching that fire. Now to put them back in the pit, we're ready to go.
We got her put back together. Water pan's on and full. Smoke is rolling. All the vents are wide open at this point. We're just waiting for our fire. Boom! Here's our ham. Go ahead and stick this in the top rack. Got pork bellies cooking on the second rack. We'll go ahead and throw this on the top rack. I already smell the cherry wood. Throw that on there. The vents open. Check the temps. We're good to go. So we got a couple hours at the very least. And then we'll check it. Catch y'all back in a couple hours.
We got our grill settled in. The only thing we want to do is set up the glaze. There's our ham already looking good.
Half a stick of butter. 4 tablespoons, more or less. Half a cup of brown sugar, that'll melt down. Some apricot preserves. That's pretty cool. Salt, pinch or so. More white pepper. Sriracha. A little bit of heat. About 2 tablespoons or so of sriracha for a little bit of heat.
about good for a glaze. But a quick taste. More apricot. Hey, also we're sitting about 1:30 on the ham. The grill's running about 2:32. It's perfect. We're 3.5 hours in, so it's about time to glaze. We got our glaze all done. Imagine that. Okay, well, let's take a look. It's been 3.5 hours, and we're running about 130. Let's double check. What we got going on? 131, 132, yep. Where are we at on this side? 133. Good, looking good. We're here, we're reading about 123, so it might be time to kind of flip this around a little bit. Hey guys, so here's our ham. It's time to glaze. Go ahead and apply the glaze. Dump some of this over. Thicken a little bit while it's sitting. It should be spicy, sweet, and oh so good. I'll let that sit for a little while longer. Let that set, come up to temp, and then we'll pull it.
My people, time for the taste test. So I do have like a little bit of ham that I put some of that glaze on. Give her a try. You can taste some of the spice. Boy, you can taste like a little bit of spice with that sweetness. It works out perfect. This is a fantastic glaze. You can taste the apricot, taste the sriracha a little bit, not much, because it does cook down, but boy, that's a good glaze. And yeah, if I can do it, you can too. Pickles BBQ out.